In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful swag for your stairway for a fraction of the price that you would buy it for at any craft store. I love the way this turned out and I'm really excited to show you how to make it for yourself. Now this swag can be edited to whatever your personal colors are for Christmas in your home this year. So if you're not into the traditional red and green or plaid, you can switch this out for any color scheme or any pattern or any flower that you would like. This swag I put together with all Hobby Lobby items that were 50% off. To get all of the items necessary for this swag, it cost me about a total of $8 to put this together, and I am so in love with it. I hope that you can find all the items that you want. You don't need to have a big budget to have a big impact this Christmas season. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you how I put this beautiful swag together. So to start off, I'm going to be using this greenery pick that I found at Hobby Lobby. They had many choices to choose from. I then also got this set of 4 bells. It was a floral pick or in the floral pick section, and I pulled them off of the main pick, and then I'm going to rearrange this red berry pick and get it all straightened out and pretty. Then I'm going to attach the 4 bells to the red berry pick. Once I'm done staging it, I am going to twist the red berry pick and bells onto the greenery with the extra long tails of wire that I had from putting the bells and the berries together. Then I'm going to go in and slide the poinsettia through the greenery, pulling up the wire on it, and then I'm going to go ahead and hot glue it in place so that the poinsettia doesn't fall out and the pick part of the poinsettia is real close and in line with the rest of the stems. Next, I am going to be making my bow. Now, believe it or not, this is only maybe my second or third time ever in my life making a hand twisted bow, I guess you could call it. And it is super simple. I've watched a few videos from the channel Gina Loves Christmas, and so this is very doable. I didn't have anyone show me except a YouTube video, and this is only my second or third time, and I feel like they really turned out pretty. So this is a very simple process. I got this ribbon also at Hobby Lobby. I made 5 swags out of this one roll of plaid ribbon. If I would have been a little more wiser or didn't have to practice my bow before trying it for the first time, I could have squeezed out 6, and 6 is what I ended up making in total for my stairway. But if you would like me to do a bow tutorial showing you how I did this with specific steps, let me know in the comments down below. I love hearing your feedback on what content you like to see. I am am going to be doing the little centerpiece that will make the bow look really finished. I am finger pressing this ribbon into thirds and then wrapping it around the center of my bow, and then I'm spreading out the wire because I will need that wire to attach it to the swag. But I am going to place hot glue on the center back so that the centerpiece can stay in place. It's going to look really nice, really finished, and honestly, I'm just using a scrap piece of ribbon, and so nothing is really going to waste here. A little bit goes a long way. Next, I'm going to just be curling and fluffing my ribbon, readjusting the bells, making sure everything is how I want it to be presentation-wise. And here you go. There's an overview of how everything turned out. I think it looks really beautiful. If you have any questions, comment them down below, or please leave me your favorite Christmas emoji. And if you got any value out of today's project, please give this video a like, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't want you to miss any upcoming lives or videos I have coming your way. If you're looking for more Christmas content, click on this video on your screen. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.